Hey guys, welcome to lesson 11 for adding and subtracting rational expressions. Our objective for today is that I can add and subtract rational expressions, and Ms. Irzo wrote an important qualifier with the same denominator. Okay, so we can use the same rules to add and subtract rational expressions that you use to add and subtract numerical fractions. So that's where the same denominator comes in. We need to have a like denominator before we can start adding and subtracting. So problem number 1, adding expressions with like denominators. First you identify, do we have like denominators? We do. They are both 5x. And so 2 plus 1 is 3. Letter B. We have 3x minus 4 in both denominators, so that remains the same, 3x minus 4. And now we add our numerators. 2x plus 3x is 5x.
If you're thinking this is too easy, it is. Try C and D on your own.
Okay. We have the same denominator, x plus 4. So we just write x plus 4 in the denominator. 7y plus 3y is 10y. So letter D, we have 8y as our common denominator. 3x plus 7, can we combine those?
They are not like terms.
So no, we cannot. 3x plus 7 it is. All right, problem number 2. Subtracting expressions with like denominators. So we have 2 over x plus 3 minus 7 over x plus 3. So common denominator, x plus 3. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Letter B, 10 minus 4 is our common denominator, so we have 10n minus 4. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky, because we need to remember that we are subtracting 3n plus 5, so that negative sign gets distributed to both of those terms. So 9n minus 3n is 6n. And negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. Did I simplify my answer on that?
I have no idea what you were doing on yours.
Yes, I did, because you can simplify that. So common factors in the numerator. We can bring out a 2, so we're left with n minus 4. And in the denominator, we can also factor out a 2, and we're left with 5n minus 2. Our 2's cancel out, and we're left with n minus 4 over 5n minus 2.
How about a 3n?
3n minus 4. There we go. That's
Here it
better.
is.
All right. Letters C and D, I want you guys try those on your own, and then we will go over them. So our denominator is y squared minus 4. Our numerator, 7y minus 6y, which is just going to be 1y. And negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Can we simplify that denominator a little bit?
I think we can.
Kind of sort of looks like, what's that one rule that keeps coming up a lot?
Difference of squares.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we should just make the test like all difference of squares, because they still don't remember difference of squares. So y plus 2, y minus 2, for those of you who weren't following along there. So 1 over y minus 2, because the y plus 2's cancel out. Letter D. First we need to subtract, and we're going to leave our denominator there, 5x squared plus 9x minus 2. So we have 3x plus 2x is 5x, and plus 2 plus 1. There we go. Now we need to factor that denominator, so we're looking for factors of negative 10 that add up to 9. Well, so we're going to have a positive 10 and a negative 1x. Okay, pull out your common factors. You've got a 5x and a negative 1 on the left. You have an x and a 2 on the top. So we have 5x minus 1 and x plus 2. So we're left with 1 over x plus 2. All right, now just a quick correction, guys. This should be 5x minus 2, or 5x minus 1, not plus 1. So just,
I put the minus right there.
yep. But just so they see it, so they don't think we're canceling things that don't cancel. All right, so that is the end of your notes for today. You're welcome. Rate your level of understanding, write down any questions or confusions that you may have from this lesson. That's it, guys.